Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we have a real treat for you as we dive into the 1972 Ford Escort, a classic that's been reborn in 2025 with a stunning black finish. If you're a fan of vintage cars with modern touches, then this review is going to be an exciting ride. So let's get started. Right off the bat, you're hit with that sleek, timeless exterior. The 2025 version of the 72 Ford Escort keeps the nostalgic design that enthusiasts love, while adding a few modern tweaks. The black paint job really makes this car pop, giving it an elegant, mysterious look. The body lines are sharp, with that iconic Ford Escort grille up front, exuding an aggressive yet classy stance. The car's size is compact, but it has this sporty presence that makes it impossible to ignore. The modern rims, paired with its vintage shape, create a unique balance of the past and the present. It's the kind of car that catches your eye whether it's parked or zooming down the road. Moving inside, the cabin is a beautiful blend of old-school charm and updated functionality. The dashboard retains the classic Ford design, with simple dials and an easy-to-read layout. But this is where it gets interesting. They've integrated modern technology without losing that vintage feel. You'll find a modern infotainment system with a touchscreen, Bluetooth connectivity, and even a rear-view camera, which is a nice touch in a car like this. The seats are comfortable, with leather upholstery that's both stylish and practical, perfect for long drives. And the attention to detail is evident with the wooden steering wheel, giving that extra sense of nostalgia as you grip it while cruising. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Ford Escort doesn't just look the part, it delivers. Under the hood, you'll find a punchy yet efficient engine that pays tribute to the original Escort's spirited driving experience. With modern fuel efficiency in a balanced ride, you'll get the best of both worlds. It's a fun drive, with responsive handling and enough power to feel sporty without being over the top. The upgraded suspension ensures a smooth ride, while the classic rear-wheel drive layout gives it that old-school driving experience we all know and love. Whether you're taking it for a weekend drive or just cruising around town, the performance here is engaging and delivers a sense of connection with the road. Now, let's talk about the price. With all the modern touches and the timeless design, the 2025 Ford Escort comes in at a starting price of around $35,000, which is a fair deal for a car that blends classic appeal with modern performance. Of course, pricing will vary depending on the specific features and trim levels you choose, but for those looking to own a piece of automotive history, it's a solid investment. So, to wrap things up, the 2025 Ford Escort in black is a perfect tribute to the original 1972 model. It's got that vintage charm, wrapped in modern technology, with performance that keeps you coming back for more. Whether you're a collector, a Ford enthusiast, or just someone who loves classic cars with a modern twist, this Escort is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to this review. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more car reviews like this one. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think about the 2025 Ford Escort. Catch you in the next one.